All right, what's up, America? I'm going to talk to you guys about another little trick that I use to stay in ultimate health, ultimate performance, and lean and shredded. So when I talk to people about this, it literally blows their mind and they completely think that it contradicts everything that they've been told, which is pretty true, it does. So for those of you guys that don't know, I'm going to be talking about autophagy. Now, autophagy is a process that we can basically put our body through. It's a system that responds in the body, and it's kind of like the body's recycle bin. So we store all kinds of toxins, dead organelles, pieces of protein that create oxidative damage that actually effectively speed the aging process up, right? Well, we're all trying to stay healthy and young forever, right? That's the goal. So autophagy is a great way to do that. Now, you can trigger autophagy two different ways. One of the ways is fasting, a 24-hour fast. I fast for 24 hours a couple times a month. It is remarkable. Now, the other way that you can trigger it is simply protein fasting. I protein fast once a week. I know people are like, what? You know, because we're so programmed to say we need so much protein to preserve muscle. But what actually happens when autophagy is triggered is that mTOR levels are decreased. Now, mTOR levels are directly responsible for helping you build and preserve muscle. So our bodies are unique, finely tuned machines. And when the mTOR levels drop, it actually causes us to secrete more, which preserves muscle and helps build muscle, right? So there's a ton of different benefits to this. So yes, protein fasting once a week will actually help you build muscle. Another thing that it will do is it'll give you massive clarity by detoxing the mitochondria. Now, the mitochondria is responsible for all energy produced in the body. And by cleaning the mitochondria, we can effectively have quicker cognitive responses. Our neurons fire at a higher rate, our synapses fire at a higher rate. This is a beautiful process. So what I want to encourage you all to do is to implement protein fasting 1 day a week. Now, it varies from person to person and also based on activity level. So what I do is limit my protein intake to 15 grams or less once a week. Now, the FDA doesn't require that nutrition labels basically put the protein on the label if there's under 1 gram per serving. So for instance, like 100 grams of broccoli has 3.17 grams of protein. So you get to be really careful about the types of foods that you're eating on your protein fasting day. Just because it isn't a high protein food doesn't mean that there isn't protein in it. So protein fast once a week. If you guys want to take it to the next level, just do a 24-hour fast once a week and it'll have the same effects. Autophagy is an amazing process we can bring the body to slow the aging process, increase human performance, and you can be the best motherfucker that you can be. This is Tyson James Lee, reminding you to be about that action. Boss.